Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, this is FemMNY. Thank you guys for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed as of yet, please subscribe to our channel. To our awesome subscribers, as always there, thank you guys for coming back and thank you for joining me. Before we start, usually when I make garlands, I will usually use balloon 260Q to attach them all together. But this time I'll be using this balloon strip, and I will let you know which one I prefer at the end of this video. Please stick around and I will show you how. Alright, so we're ready to inflate our balloon since we're making garland. So there's no particular size on how, what's the size on your balloon when you inflate this too. So you want this a little lower, like kind of round. See, as you can see, no particular size. Alright guys, so this is the strip. It came from our package. So we'll open this up. So now once you open this up, you grab it. Can you see that? You grab your balloon. You put it right here, you feed it through. Get it there. So once you got it in, feed it through again. So it's gonna stay. Want to make sure that this is not sharp. No pointy edges. So like that, it'll stay and it's not gonna come out. So do the same thing on each strip. Once in there. Like that. Do another one. You do this until you fill this all up with balloons. Alright, so we'll just have to continue on your straps. So continue the balloon. right until you get to the end. Alright, so as you can see, it's all connected right here. So at the end of your strip, just roll it around, roll this back. And then just tape it with clear tape. Like that, and we can cut this off right here. So just like when we start, I'm gonna cut this like more rounded, so there's no sharp edges. So as you can see right here, so you can shape this anywhere you like it, you know. But this time I'm gonna hang this to our ceiling. So there's a hook there, there's a hook. We use our 260Q balloon. We will cut this in half. Attach this to our hook. Right there. So your 260Q and I'll tie it to the 260Q itself. Alright, we also have the 18 inches balloon, so I tie it with 260Q right on there, and we'll attach this to our garland. Add more gold. Alright, so we also have the 5 inches. Tie it with your 260Q, your quads. This here. Alright, so we will also add our flowers right here. The leaf right here, the vines, so we'll use tape, big tape. This we'll add, got one there. We got everything hooked up, so last thing we're gonna add is this butterfly. So we'll use our balloon glue dots. Just stick one right on here. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final look of our beautiful balloon garland. I hope you like this project, this setup. So about this balloon strip right here, so for my personal opinion, it takes a while, it takes longer, and it hurts on your fingers to attach them all in one on each hole right here. So I personally prefer the Balloon 260Q to attach them all together. You can save time. Compared to this, it's time consuming, so I still prefer Balloon 260Q. Alright guys, anyway, this is our setup today. I hope you like this. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It'll help our channel grow. Please stick around for our comments of the day. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. FemMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.